Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will talk about capillary schedule. Capillary schedule is an intensive hair care routine for people who want to take care of their hair and who want to improve the quality and the condition or the texture of their hair. So capillary schedule is very popular in Brazil. I have seen very less Indian YouTuber talking about this specific hair schedule. Capillary schedule is all about only three things. You need to follow these three things, okay, basically. So one is hydration, second is nutrition, and third is reconstruction. Okay, three of them are very important. Okay, so basically you need to follow the entire routine for at least 3 months to see the proper results. Okay, like basically people follow it for like 1 month or 2 month max, but I would suggest you to follow it for at least 3 months. You can also take the before and after picture so that you can to know that whether it is making any difference or not. In the year of 2020 I have followed this entire schedule for at least 2 months, and like during the winter months my hair fall like picks up, so I have to be very much precise when it comes to hair care routine during the winter months. So till this point of time we have covered that what is capillary schedule and like for the timeline for which we have to follow like at least 2 to 3 months. I would suggest you, for the people who have really damaged hair, they have to follow it for at least 3 months. Okay, so basically we will do hydration part so that the entire look of your hair can get better. Okay, so this is all about the hydration part. Okay, if you're going to follow the hydration part, it's definitely going to improve the texture and the quality of your hair. So basically you have to look for vitamin A, vitamin B5. Okay, so this you have to find whichever product you are using or like any DIY hair pack. And personally I love DIY hair packs when it comes to like my hair or my skin, because yeah, you can get to know that whatever you are putting, there cannot be any preservative or any harmful sort of activities or harmful ingredients. I have jotted down, okay, my handwriting is very faltu, but yes, I have jotted down some DIY packs for you guys so that you can use it. I would like to say like 2 to 3 products they are highly recommended when it comes to any hydration DIY hair mask or any like store-bought masks. They are coconut oil, banana, aloe vera and cucumber. Okay, these 4 are very easily available. You can get it everywhere. Okay, and these are very hydrating for your hair. Okay, what you can do is like you just can put on some coconut oil. Okay, and you have to emphasize on scalp as well as the length as well as the ends. Yes, whichever oil you are using, try to heat it up. Okay, just slightly. Okay, just try to heat it up and then use it, because it's going to give more results. Okay, so yeah, this is going to be the number 1. Number 2 is banana. You just can smash the banana and just put it some curd and can apply it on your hair. Okay, I know sometimes it's very difficult to apply any sort of liquid things on your hair, but you can use the cotton, like cotton pads and the cotton balls, to just apply it on your hair and the lengths. Okay, so nutrition part. So nutrition means to provide extra or needed sebum to your hair. Our scalp produce sebum. Okay, it naturally produce the sebum, but yeah, like यहाँ तक ये पहुँच नहीं पाता. Okay, it's like not possible for it to travel throughout. So in that sort of case you need to apply or you need to provide your hair with extra sebum. If you are applying nutrition hair pack, then it will provide your hair with like the elasticity, the flexibility and the shine, and the frizz-free part is the bonus thing you will get if you are going to follow the nutrition part of this routine. Like the basic elements which we need to find out in our nutrition hair DIY packs, they are vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin K, okay, and some antioxidants. When it comes to nutrition parts, oils and butters, they work magically. Okay, you can use amla oil, you can use argan oil, you can use olive oil, you can use avocado oil, you can use macadamia oil. Okay, but the readily most available oils are coconut oil, olive oil and amla oil. Okay, but make sure that these oils are like without any sorts of parabens, mineral oils. You can try the oils from Mama Earth, Wow. Okay, just try to look for the brands which don't put any sorts of preservatives or harmful chemicals. When it comes to butters, as I have mentioned that you can put the butters also. You can use shea butter and macadamia butter. I know macadamia butter is not readily available. You can get it in Big Basket, I guess, but yeah, I apply shea butter. And if you can keep the hair oil, if you're applying any sorts of hair oil without the butter and everything, try to keep it for overnight. And if you're seeing that your acne is coming because of the overnight thing, at least I would say try to keep it for at least 2 hours. I know it's like quite time consuming, but yeah, your hair needs extreme time. मतलब otherwise ये सुधरने वाला नहीं है. You need to give it time. And now the third and most important part is reconstruction. Okay, so like for the people who have colored their hair, who have done straight, for them I would like to tell you guys, it's better that it's high time that you should invest your time in reconstruction, sort of a DIY or hair pack. Basically reconstruction means to provide your hair with strength. Okay, it needs the strength. Okay, basic elements which you need to find, they are like keratin, omega-3, amino acids and everything sort of that, so that your hair can get the strength. Okay, without the strength इतना लेंथ ये कैरी नहीं कर पाएगा. ओके, इट मतलब ये इतना ग्रो ही नहीं हो पाएगा बिकॉज द स्प्लिट एंड्स विल हैपन, लाइक द ब्रेकेज पार्ट, इट वोंट गेट द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, इट वोंट गेट द स्ट्रेंथ बिकॉज यू आर ट्राइंग हेल्थ सॉर्ट ऑफ हेयर स्टाइल्स, you are like curling it, you are straightening it, you are doing this, you are doing that, and the pollution and everything. So our hair needs that sort of strength. The most good product for this reconstruction part is the, I'm going to put it over here, it is the L'Oreal one, and it's extremely good. Okay, extremely good. When it comes to DIY, very simple guys, eggs.
Very simple guys, eggs.
They can be your best friend. Okay, like if I have to choose 3 things, they will be eggs, banana and coconut oil. They can be your best friends. Okay, sometimes I dodge between coconut oil and olive oil. They are my favorites. And for the people who are vegetarian and who like cannot tolerate the smell of eggs, okay, so for them I would like to suggest flax seeds. Okay, they are rich in omega-3 amino acids. Yes, you can use eggs, you can use flax seeds, you can use any sorts of products or any sorts of things which have like the keratin, which have amino acids, omega-3, protein, basically to strengthen your hair. Okay, so I guess like I have given you enough gyan. Okay, so now how you can manage the entire schedule. मतलब बोल तो दिया hydration, nutrition, reconstruction करना है, कैसे करना है, but how you can incorporate all of them in your routine. Okay, and all of us, we are extremely busy. Like taking time for yourself is very important guys, at least I feel. Okay, so the first week hydration, nutrition done. Second week nutrition, reconstruction. Third week hydration, nutrition. Fourth week hydration, reconstruction. I'm going to put a chart so that it can be easier for you to understand. You have to keep in mind that in order to see results, in order to see the growth and the improvement in the quality and texture of hair, you need to keep maintaining this entire schedule for at least 1 month. After 1 month, I don't have to tell you, or you don't have to see this video, you will yourself do it because of the progress you will see. Because I can tell you guys, like in terms of hair, I can give you really good tips, because capillary schedule is all about a hair care routine which you can follow to improve the texture, to improve the quality. Can you see these baby hairs? Hair growth, right? तो ये कैसे हुआ? मतलब I don't take any sorts of supplements or anything, but yes guys, diet is a very important part. I'm going to definitely make a video on the diet part, क्या मैं क्या लेती हूँ, क्या नहीं लेती हूँ. ठीक है, it's going to be a very desi sort of version. I hope this video is helpful. If you are a person like me who loves to take care of their hair, I know you love this video, I know. And definitely the part 2 and part 3 will come regarding capillary schedule, because in my next video I will tell you how to understand and how to figure out the type of your hair, porosity and everything I will discuss. And on the third part of this video, I will try to show you and I will try to apply different sorts of hydration, nutrition and reconstruction, this 3 type of mask, and let you guys see the results. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned for that. And on Thursday you will get a very fun vlog, guys, a very fun vlog, so stay tuned for that. Bye guys, see you super soon.